Good evening, everyone. Welcome to CP Trading Academy. Today, in this video, we'll discuss one best trading indicator, that is ADX. Okay. So, what do you mean by this ADX? ADX is nothing but average directional momentum index. Average directional momentum index. So, in this ADX, when we'll when we'll take this ADX in our trading platform, any trading platform, so we'll find three lines. We'll find three lines. Out of these three lines, we are having one particular line, that is positive DI. So another one line, that is negative DI, negative DI. Third line is ADX line. Third line is my ADX line. You can imagine, suppose whenever this positive DI and negative DI will crossover takes place, no? So normally this crossovers we can consider, if positive DI is above, so we'll consider it is a positive trend. We'll consider it is a positive trend. If this negative DI is above, so again what we'll consider? We will consider the trend is negative. The trend is negative. This positive and negative, like normally, so how we will consider this EMA crossover, no? Like 20 EMA will crossovers this 50 EMA. So like this, we will consider this positive DI and negative DI. Then what about this ADX? ADX, it will indicate the strength of the trade. It will indicate the strength of the trade, strength of the trade. If suppose this ADX value is greater than this 20, greater than 20, then what we will do? We will consider the strength is good. The strength is good. But in my case, I will show you some charts here. So here what I will do, just I have kept this ADX. So when you will go to this indicators, in indicators, just you can press this ADX. So here you will have ADX and DI, or else you are having average directional index. Okay, you can take this indicator, and afterwards, in setting you are having positive DI and negative DI, positive DI and negative DI. Now we are having another one ADX line. ADX line is there. This ADX level, so its default value is 20. This default value is 20. So what I am doing here, so I am changing this ADX value 30. Above 20, normally we will consider it is an trending is there. Above 20, we will consider it is an trending. So what we will do, so I am changing the level into 30. Okay. So here you can see here, positive DI is taking crossover of this negative DI. So the normally the strength is the trend is positive direction. The trend is positive direction. So here you can see in previous some examples we see here. Here what happened? Here you can see the negative DI is taking crossover of this positive DI. So again, what we will say? The strength is good. Strength is good. Here you can see here the negative DI is taking crossover of this positive DI. Okay, here the strength is negative. That means trend is negative. Okay, then how we'll consider this ADX? How we'll consider this ADX means what I'm doing here. I'm just ignoring this positive DI and negative DI. I'm keeping only ADX line. So you can see here, whenever the market will open, normally the market will open at 9:15. The market will open at 9:15. So what we'll do? So we'll wait for 15 minutes. We'll wait for 15 minutes. The first 15-minute candle, whatever the candle will appear, that candle strength we require. That candle strength we require. If that candle is having good strength, then what we will do? We'll initiate the trade at breakout. We'll initiate the trade at breakout. Here you can see here what happened. The ADX strength is like uh, above 30. Above 30 means normally you can consider here the first candle strength is 60. That means the strength is too good here. The strength is too good. What we will do? We'll initiate trade high of this first candle and by keeping the stop loss low of this first candle. Low of this first candle. Here you can observe the whole day the market is in positive direction only. The positive direction only. So which breakout we need to consider in the sense depending upon the candlestick. If the candle is positive, what we will do? We'll wait for buying signal. We'll wait for buying signal. If the candle is negative, what we will do? We'll wait for sell signal. We'll wait for sell signal. So just what we'll do? Just we'll cross check some of the stocks. What will happen here? In Hind Petro, just you can observe the first candle, the ADX strength is below 30. The ADX strength is below 30. Here you can observe the ADX value below 30. So I'm ignoring this stock. Next, you can consider this BPCL. BPCL strength is also below 30. So directly I'm ignoring. So next NDTV is very low cost. It's a daily circuit is happening here. So better you can ignore. Next, this IOC stock is there. Here you can observe the first candle, 915 candle. The strength is 49 here. The ADX strength is 49. So what we will do? We'll initiate the trade at high of this particular candle. Why high means this particular candle is green candle. So I will wait for only buy direction. I will wait for only buying direction. Or else no, what you can do? You can initiate the trade here. You can initiate the trade here. Here means whenever this green candle will break out now, whenever this green candle will break out now, at that moment what we'll do, we'll initiate the trade. We'll initiate the trade like here. How much stop loss here we are having? Less than 1 rupee. Less than 1 rupee stop loss. Okay. So like this now, we'll trade. For this welcome, we don't have any signal. Okay. In India also we don't have any signal. Yes. For this Reliance stock, you can observe here. So what is the strength of this first candle? 63. What is the color? Green candle. What we will do? We'll initiate buy trade. When this high will broken now, we'll initiate buy trade. And see here. Okay. See. Next we'll observe this some stocks. Here, 915 candle. This is our 915 candle. What is the strength? Really strength is 39.37. 39.37. We'll initiate buy trade. So how many stocks we have observed? Like 4 to 5 stocks we have observed. All 4 to 5 stocks are closed in positive only. Closed in positive only. Likewise, now you can observe some of the negative stocks also. Negative stocks means like here you can observe what is the strength of this first candle or second candle. The second candle strength is because it's a natural gas. No, natural gas. The market will start from 9 a.m. 9 a.m. So 915, what is the strength of this 915 candle? 30.80. What is the color of this candle? Red candle. What we will do? We'll wait for sell direction. We'll wait for sell direction. See here. Likewise, we'll observe some of the stocks. Jindal, we don't have strength here, even though it moved very well. Okay. Next, Hindalco, we don't have a strength here. Havels, no strength. VDL, no strength. Yes, VDL we have a strength here. Just you can observe here. The first candle, negative candle. What we will do? We will wait for the first candle to break out here. The first candle to break out here. So unfortunately, what happened? The breakout is not happened here. The breakout is not happened here. Next, we'll wait for this sale. No strength. JSW Steel, no strength. Apollo, no strength. PFC, yes. PFC will have strength here. Okay. What is the ADX strength? 69.88. What is our first candle? First candle is, this is our first candle. So actually the candle color is green candle. What we will do? We will wait for buy to breakout. Okay. So unfortunately what happened? The low was broken here. The low was broken here. You can see. Next, any other stocks are there? No. Cell we don't have a strength, I think. Okay. See here. What happened in crude oil? This is our first candle. So what is the strength of this first candle? 48. When this low was broken, no? Then initiate some trade. Then easily we will get like 15 to 100 points. Easily we will get. Next, Bharti Airtel. No strength. HDFC Bank. I don't have any strength. So likewise, no, what we can do, just we will consider this ADX value. So here what I am doing, I'm considering the ADX level, I'm considering 30. Okay. Whenever the ADX value is 30, what we will do? We'll initiate the trade. We'll initiate the trade. So normally uh, backtest this ADX strategy. If you have confident, then only you can initiate the trades. Thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow we'll see another one good indicator. So we'll backtest and we'll trade. We'll wait. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Thank you one and all.